Hey there, homeowners! Are you tired of dealing with the never-ending battle against dust, dirt, and pet hair? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into a game-changer for your cleaning routine. Got a house full of pet hair? Whether it's on your furniture, floors, or even floating in the air, pet hair can be a real nuisance. Or maybe you just want a vacuum that doesn't make you feel like you're dragging around a small elephant? Heavy vacuums can be a real pain, especially when you have to lug them up and down stairs. Well, look no further. Click the link in the description below to grab your special discount on the Aspiron Canister Vacuum Cleaner. Alright, let's dive in and see what makes this vacuum a must-have for every home. First things first, let me introduce you to the Aspiron SK006. This sleek and modern vacuum is designed to make your cleaning tasks easier and more efficient. This bad boy is bagless, meaning no more fiddling with those pesky replacement bags. Just empty the dust cup and you're good to go. Instead, you've got a massive 3.7 QT dust cup. That's a lot of space for all the dirt and debris you'll be picking up. That's right, more cleaning, less emptying. You can cover a lot of ground without having to stop and empty the dust cup constantly. Now, if you're like me and have a fur baby that sheds like it's their full-time job, you're gonna love this. Pet hair can be a real challenge, but not with the Aspiron. The Aspiron comes with a pet power-made attachment that makes quick work of any pet hair. It's designed to pick up even the most stubborn fur from your carpets and furniture. Seriously, you'll wonder if your pet has gone bald. But wait, there's more! This vacuum isn't just for pet owners. This vacuum has powerful suction that's perfect for hard floors. Dust bunnies? Gone. Spilled cereal? Gone. It handles everyday messes with ease. Your ex's old love letters? Well, that's up to you. But seriously, it can handle a variety of debris without any issues. And if you've got allergies, no worries. This vacuum is designed with your health in mind. The HEPA filtration system will trap all those nasty allergens so you can breathe easy. Literally, it captures 97% of dust and allergens, making your home a healthier place to live. But let's talk convenience. The Aspiron has an automatic cord rewind feature. No more tangled cords or tripping hazards. Just press a button and zip, the cord's all tidied up. It's a small feature, but it makes a big difference in your cleaning routine. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver. You can easily carry it around your home without breaking a sweat. You won't need to call in a favor just to vacuum the stairs. Its compact design makes it perfect for tight spaces and multi-level homes. Now, I know some of you are thinking, but what about carpets? Carpets can be tricky, especially the high-pile ones. While the Aspiron shines on hard floors, it might not be the best for high-pile carpets. It's something to consider if your home is carpeted. So if you've got shag carpets, you might want to keep that in mind. It's always good to choose the right tool for the job. And let's be real, it's not the quietest vacuum on the market, but hey, it's powerful. Sometimes, a little noise is a small price to pay for a clean home. You can't have it all, right? But with the Aspiron, you get a lot of what really matters. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this fantastic vacuum. Click that link below to grab your Aspiron Canister Vacuum Cleaner with a special discount. It's a deal you don't want to miss. Trust me, your home and your pets will thank you. A clean home is a happy home, and the Aspiron makes it all possible. Alright, let's wrap this up. We've covered a lot of ground today, and I hope you're as excited about the Aspiron as I am. The Aspiron is all about powerful cleaning, ease of use, and affordability. It's designed to make your life easier and your home cleaner. It's the perfect vacuum for any homeowner looking to conquer pet hair, dust, and everyday messes without breaking the bank. It's reliable, efficient, and a great addition to any home. So go ahead, hit that link in the description and make the Aspiron your home's best friend today. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning. Here's to a cleaner, happier home with the Aspiron Canister Vacuum Cleaner.